Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with mayonnaise and tuna easy method. Boil 2 cups macaroni until al dente, drain, and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. Flake 1 can of tuna and chop a celery stalk for crunch. Mix pasta, tuna, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mustard, and salt and pepper. Chill before serving to let flavors meld. Gather ingredients and prep for smooth cooking and quick assembly. Measure pasta and drain tuna so nothing is rushed while the macaroni cooks. Chop celery and onion finely to distribute crunch evenly. Combine mayonnaise and mustard in a bowl and season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice if you like. Keep everything ready so once the pasta cools you can mix swiftly and evenly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfy during long cooking days and make chopping and stirring feel less like a marathon. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When mixing, fold ingredients gently so the macaroni stays intact and the salad remains light and creamy. Start with the suggested 1 cup mayonnaise, then add more if you prefer looser texture, tasting as you go. Chill the salad at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and salt levels settle. Just before serving, garnish with paprika or parsley and give it one final gentle toss to refresh the texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.